Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again. This is the Patreon supporter appreciation giveaway for the month of May. So I do apologize for missing last month. I didn't have the right hardware in, but we're back on track now. And remember, this giveaway is not a direct reward for Patreon. It's just something I do on the side. And the main thing is the exclusive videos. So that being said, let's just have a quick look at the prizes going out this month. So again, we're doing the fishhook keychain, but some really interesting hardware this time. It's got this nice PVD coated brass hook up top, as well as the PVD coated keyring or split ring down at the bottom. So did this one with a nice dark green snake knot, and I changed it up a little bit. I just have the keyring now on the bottom, so you can attach your keys directly to it, and then you can hook it to your belt loop, pocket, or your bag or whatever. And yeah, it works really nicely. Of course, got the tag on there as well. So I think these ones turned out really nicely, and I hope the winners enjoy it. So I selected my random winners. And for this month, the winners are Donovan Y and Justin F. Congrats to you guys. Thank you for supporting on Patreon, and thank you to all my Patreon supporters. You guys really mean a lot to me, and you are doing wonders for this channel as always. So thank you so much for your support on that channel. And to the two winners, I will be emailing you shortly to get your mailing addresses so I can get the stuff out to you. And so remember, guys, I do run a Patreon page to support this channel. You can get access to exclusive videos each and every month, as well as all the previous videos that I've done in the past on Patreon. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching, guys. I will see you all on the next video.